Hello, I'm Paul Walsh for the Preservation Trust, and I would like to introduce you to a very socially distant friend of mine, a lofty patch of the night sky I call the King of Winter. You know him as Orion the Hunter, and during the dark months of November, December, and January, this dazzling constellation rises from the east to dominate the sky like no other. The major stars of Orion form what looks like a broad-shouldered fellow wearing a belted tunic with a sash hanging from the three stars that make up the belt. Viewed with the naked eye, Orion is an imposing figure, but there is much more to be revealed when you add even just a little magnification. If you take a regular pair of binoculars and look at the middle star of the three that comprise the sash hanging from the belt, you will see a faint fuzziness. And if you target that fuzziness with a telescope, your eyes will arrive at one of the coolest things in the night sky, the great nebula in Orion. Looking like a giant bird protecting its nest, the beak and wings made entirely of hydrogen gas and dust, and at its heart beats a gauzy bedding filled with brand new stars. And there's more. Hanging down from the left side of Orion's belt is an invisible red bandana of glowing gas, against which a dark dust cloud stands out to display the famous Horsehead Nebula. Too faint to see without a very large telescope, this horsehead is nicely revealed using long exposure photography. Our last stop on this little tour will be the monster known as Betelgeuse, the reddish star in Orion's upper left corner. Even at roughly 500 light years, Betelgeuse reigns supreme. It is huge. If Betelgeuse were to replace our sun, we would be inside of it. So would Jupiter, and some believe it might even be big enough to swallow Saturn's orbit. This winter, bundle up, grab your binoculars, stretch out on a lounge chair, and take a gander. You'll be amazed.